multiples. So multiples are found by multiplying our base number by other numbers. So let's look at the first example to see. Suppose having the growth of our fibroids reduced by using a procedure known as uterine artery embolization, or UAE, and then for this treatment, a substance is injected into the uterus every 5 seconds for 30 seconds. So we're going to use multiples of 5 to determine the time in seconds when each dose of the substance is injected. So let's go ahead and do that. So our base number, right, is 5. So if we're just going to go ahead and put 5 down a few times here, and you can see. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and multiply by first 1, then we'll multiply by 2, we'll multiply by 3, and we'll multiply by 4, and we'll see where that takes us first. So 5 times 1, that's 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, so we need to keep going. So we have 5, then times 5, so that's 25, and then 5 times 6, and that's 30. So when we look at multiples, we mean these numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So those are our multiples there. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. Example 2. Quinn is taking medication twice a day and every day until it runs out. If there are 8 pills, and by using multiples of 2, determine how many days until she runs out of her medication. So if we look at this, we see we're using multiples of 2. The reason we're using multiples of 2 is that she's taking the medication twice a day. So that means there's 2 pills in every day. So let's go ahead and go 2, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply it by 1. So on the first day, she would have taken 2 pills, right? Now on the second day, she would have taken 4 pills at that point, right, at the end of the day. Then on the third day, she would have taken 6 pills. So she still has some pills to take. So then on the 4th day, she would have taken all 8 of her pills by then. And so we can use multiples to see that it takes 4 days in order for her to use all of the medication, right? And so by using multiples, right, 2, 4, 6, and 8, as those are the multiples of 2, we get to 8 on the 4th day then, as in this example.